Here on Etsy, we can see a huge number of stickers being sold. Although the price per sticker is low, the average sale volume for each is around 1000, which means there's a significant opportunity for profit. Similarly, on Redbubble, which is a popular print-on-demand platform for selling t-shirts and clothing, we can also sell stickers here. Today I'll show you how to create stickers like this using Canva, and by the end of this video I'll share with you few more exciting platforms where you can upload these stickers and start earning. Okay, let's jump into Canva and select the size of your sticker. You might notice some recommended size for stickers, but we should follow this specific sticker size chart. For example, if you want to create round stickers for motorcycle helmets or phone cases, we should choose size like 3x2 or 2x2. Don't worry, I'll share the chart with you in the video description. Now let's start with the photo sticker and select a 5x5 size. We'll choose a background color for the sticker and add our image. For example, I am going with a lion image. Select the image, click on Edit, go to Effects and choose Shadows. From there, select Outline option, set the outline color to white, and your turn. You can download now your sticker. You can also add more characters to the artboard and repeat the same process to create additional stickers. And don't forget to add a title for your sticker. Next, if you have an image and want to turn it into a sticker, it's super easy. Just upload the picture to Canva, remove the background and download it with a transparent background. Then re-upload that transparent image to your Canva, apply the shadow effect, and you are ready to go. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you are interested in Canva Pro, check out my website oflix.xyz or watch this video where I show you how to get Canva Premium for free. Now, as I mentioned earlier, here's some other platforms where you can earn from the stickers. Websites like Ecoit and Printify allow you to upload and sell your designs. You can also create gigs on Fiverr and offer custom sticker designs just like these sellers who are already doing this successfully, providing sticker bundles and fulfilling client requests. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.